Hi friends, welcome to YourPedia, and you're watching dedicated module on YourPedia for your upcoming exam of Industry Promotion Officer by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. The detailed notification will come on 15th of August 2026, but YourPedia is going to complete this entire module in July itself before 15th August so that you can revise it. And from 15th August, once notification comes, detail comes, we start preparing again and revision. Those of you who will start fresh with YourPedia, they can start fresh because second round will be started in August. And those who have already prepared, they will get an edge. They can attend the classes once again. So I'm going to take the topic from industrial management. There's a topic total quality management. In total quality management, my first class, I discussed with you what is quality. So I told you that quality is all about the expectation of customer, perception of the customer, which satisfies the need or want of the customer. So customer has certain needs, customer has want something from you, and if you satisfy the need of the customer, then quality is provided. In the first lecture, we also discussed couple of terms like quality control, जो ज़्यादातर fault finding से related थी, removing the defected items from the lot, that is quality control. Then quality assurance, that let the processes be made more effective so that defected items are not produced, that is called quality assurance. And then we talk about quality management, in which organization gets involved, and we have to make the policies and procedures and references, standards, so that quality things are produced. And then we talk about quality, total quality management, and quality management system. Now, after defining quality in detail, what is the meaning of quality and what are the various terms, today's lecture is about total quality management. So friends, there are certain quality gurus. Quality gurus means those scholars who talked about quality. Deming is known as father of total quality management or quality guru. He was American who started total quality management concept in America, but eventually it was implemented in Japan. So whatever we see today, any product or process followed by industries in Japan is so good because the total quality management concept started from Japan. So total quality management, there are three terms: total quality management. What is quality? We have already discussed, like pro customer, requirement of the customer, satisfaction of the customer. Total means everybody should get involved, bottom to top management, chief executive should also get involved. So top management should be involved and should be requiring the quality in the service or products. Total means everybody, every worker, every person in the organization, and it should become culture in the organization. So quality should be in the culture of the organization. And quality means let's serve the customer, we have to serve customer, we have to give him product or service which they want. That is basically the meaning of total. Quality, we have already discussed, it is what customer wants. Management means put the things in order, and we need to go for continuous improvement of the things. Not only that today we have made something and now tomorrow it cannot be improved. It can be improved, you can add new features, you can reduce cost, you can do many things. So continuous improvement. So this is what we are going to discuss today, friends, and many more ideas you will get it. So industry promotion officer, 95 seats, so big number. Why? Because everybody, all engineering branches are eligible for it. So you can prepare this with mentors of YourPedia, this entire syllabus. So soon Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission is going to announce it, the pattern of exam and everything will come. So this is paper 1 of Andhra Pradesh, paper 1 and paper 2 YourPedia is providing you in detail, paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 2 is made up of a couple of components. So there is applied science, engineering and management. There is mathematics, so 10th class diploma level mathematics you have, these are the topics, and YourPedia mentors have completed it. There is a physics, mathematics and physics. Then we have chemistry, and then we have industrial management, the topic which I am taking for you. This is basically industrial management. So in the industrial management, I am taking the topic today that is new trends in management. And that new trends in management, today I am talking about total quality management. This is a term, concept of quality, and then next classes will be like what quality gurus say, what they talk about their different domains. So that will be taken next. So today's lecture is about total quality management. So see this image, see this diagram once again. Total means involving entire organization. So I am to involve everyone in the organization. That is the meaning of total. Top management, employee at the bottom, everybody is to be involved. Quality is conformance to the requirement, meeting the customer's requirement, need of the customer. And then management, system of managing steps like planning, organizing, controlling, staffing, management, and to manage the things. So this is total quality management. Now let's discuss. This was done in the previous lecture, so I'm just adding one slide of previous lecture. What is quality? That was defined by different quality gurus. Like Edward Deming, father of total quality management, says that quality is nothing but meeting customers' requirement, meeting the need or wants or requirement of the customer. Juran says quality is fitness for the use. Philip Crosby says conformance to the requirement. Similarly, American Society for Quality defines quality this way. Parsuram from India says quality is zero defect. Deming says, again, this is the new input from the Deming. Some important point around about quality were that quality is a concept related to customer, not only product or service. You cannot say this pen is a quality pen, because that depends on the customer also. For some customer it may serve the purpose, so it is a quality pen. For some people it may not be. I'm using digital board, for me it is very, very important and it is very quality product. But for my kid who is not using digital board, using paper and pen, for him this pen may not be of any use. So what customer wants, that is a quality. It is a customer's perception, it is the need and expectation of customer. So if it meets the requirement of customer, then it is quality product for him. So you must meet certain standards, you must come to certain standards. Many times people misunderstand the concept of quality and link it with the cost. No doubt quality is linked to the cost also, but quality is not always the cost. So cost is one component of that. So quality is basically the perception or the requirement of the customer, and cost is one component of that. So cost if basically is one features of quality. It is not that if you increase the quality, the cost should increase. If increase the cost, quality will increase. For me, iPhone may not be a quality mobile, because I may not be using it for the purpose for which other fellow is using. So for some people, value of iPhone may be value for money for them. So it is the value for money, it is not the cost on which quality depends. Then Garvin gave 8 dimensions of the quality, and you should know what these 8 dimensions are, and we have discussed in the previous lecture detail about these 8 dimensions. So I'm not teaching you this. And then I told you evolution of the concept. First quality control came, which was talking about the defected pieces. So quality control was all about removing the pieces which are defected pieces. Then came quality assurance, in which we focused on the processes. Quality control, we were focusing on product. Here we were focusing on the process, and here we were basically talking about elimination, prevention rather than cure. So let's prevent the problem from coming. Then total quality management. So quality management was a larger concept, it evolved. So total quality management, now a couple of things about total quality management. There is a lecture today involving entire organization, and the concept of quality should be in our mind, and it should be the culture of organization. So when quality becomes the part of our culture, that means it brings the attitudinal change in the organization. It becomes the total quality management concept, right? It leads to ultimately the customer satisfaction. So next to total quality management is quality management system. So if somebody asks you what after total quality management, so we'll say after total quality management comes quality management system. So each organization proceeds in that direction. Total quality management is a systematic and integrated approach of attaining the customer satisfaction at minimum cost through continuous improvement. So there is a continuous improvement of organizational processes, and it results in high quality product and services. So continuous improvement is very much part of total quality management. Continuous improvement means whatever we have as of now, we need to improve upon it regularly. Continuously improvement should be there. So it is total quality management is a customer focused management approach. Every employee participant continuously improves the process, product, service, and it is a data based decision making system. Data based decision making system is the decision which management takes should be rational decision based upon the information which we get lot of information. So it should be based upon that. So it is a data based system. Now see this, what is T, what is Q, what is M? So T means everyone should be involved, Q means continuous improvement, customer to service to the customer, and management means let's have lot of knowledge, data, information, profound knowledge we should have, so that we take right decision. Management should be based upon lot of information. So it focuses on long-term success through continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and you have to involve, you have to participate everyone. So what is the meaning of total, what is the meaning of quality, and what is the meaning of management, that you should very clearly know. So total means everyone in the organization is responsible for quality. There are two kind of customers. One is internal customer, one is external customer. Internal customer is the employee. So for any organization, internal customer is the employee of organization. Employees should be satisfied, employees should also be happy, then only they can give better service. So as organization, it is the responsibility of top management to keep the internal customers, that is employees, also happy, and external customer will be taken care of by these internal customers. So quality is not only responsibility of one department, quality control department, it is combination of that. It is quality control department, it is all. So every employee from top management to the shop floor worker should basically talk about the quality and should work on that. All departments including production, finance, HR, marketing, everybody basically should talk about the quality. So if the customer complains about product, solving issues may require cooperation between, so obviously everybody should be pro customer. It is not that one particular department should focus on quality, all the departments are to get involved in the quality. So quality means continuously meeting the customer's expectations. So delivering the products and services that are reliable, safe, defect free, meeting the customer's requirement. So total quality management emphasizes continuous improvement. Kaizen is the term I will be discussing with you separately. Kaizen basically is something like, change is good. Kaizen is good. Kai is change. So change for the betterment. Continuously improve yourself, change yourself for the betterment. It is a Japanese word. So total quality management focuses on continuous improvement. So change for the betterment. Goal is to reduce the defects, minimize waste, improve efficiency, increase the customer satisfaction. So quality is all about improving, increasing customer satisfaction and meeting the requirement of customer. For that, you need to continuously improve yourself. So example is like iPhone, bank app, iPhone, every year a new model of iPhone comes. That gives customer happiness. So customer keep on waiting for new iPhone model to come. Why? Because if the new model is coming, new features will come and new features are added. So it is giving customer delight, not satisfaction, but more than that. So customer does not even know that what new thing is going to come. So organization thinks, iPhone, Apple thinks that okay, I am to give this new feature to customer. That is customer's delight. So that is called quality. Total means everybody is to involve. Quality means customer satisfaction. Management means this. So data driven decision, continuous improvement, quality through leadership. So these are like management has to be good, and management is based upon all these parameters. Okay, now let's go to total quality management as a term again. It is organization wide, that means everyone, management philosophy that focuses on customer satisfaction, quality, participation of all employee, organization wide. So everyone is getting involved, everyone will basically get involved, and culture of the organization should be pro customer. That is the meaning of total quality management. Continuously we have to improve our product, service, and processes. So long term success can only be achieved if we focus on customer satisfaction, improve in all stages of production. So there is a definition by ISO: centered organization which is focusing on quality based on participation of all the members, aiming long term success through customer satisfaction. That is what total quality management is. Now what is quality management system? Quality management system is formal documented way, formal documented framework of policies, processes, procedures. So it is more a documented approach. So quality management system is the next stage in which we start talking about ISOs, standard or this standard operating procedures, standardizations, so formal documentation. So once we have identified what is the best way to do a thing, what is the best way to do a work, then we document it so that we start implementing it. That is called total quality management. So I gave you last time also this small table where you can compare quality control with quality assurance with quality management system and total quality management. Now this total quality management means let's focus on customer, continuous improvement, and everybody is to participate. So these are the three basically dimensions of total quality management, and these are explained through this. Decision making should be fact based, logical decision, everybody should get involved, continuous improvement has to be there. Now what are the 6C of total quality management? Sometime we'll ask you what are the 6C. Commitment. So what is the meaning of commitment? Management and employee must be committed for quality. Everybody should work with commitment and dedication. Culture of serving the customer. Quality should be in the culture of the organization. Continuous improvement. We have to improve our product, service, and processes continuously. Cooperation with everyone. Then customer focus, obviously it has to be customer focus. Control, effective control of processes and everything, so that the standards are continuously met. So control on the standards which we are using, which we are producing. So these are 6C. So you have to read these 6C: commitment, culture, continuous improvement, cooperation among team members, employees, different supplier, management, everyone, customer focus, control on the processes. You have to control the processes which are to be monitored, and very specifically. Commitment means leadership dedicated to quality. Culture means entire work culture. Continuous improvement means you have to do this. This is how it is to go. Now what are the 8 principles of total quality management? 8 principles. So these are different ways in which you talk about total quality management. So 6C, 8 principles, you should be aware about these things. So 8 principles of total quality management. Customer focus. You have to focus, meet the current requirements and future needs of customer. Leadership. So leadership means commitment of the top management. The vision, mission, quality objectives. So that is the top management. Involvement of people at all level. So all employees, everybody is to be involved. Process approach. Let's focus on the processes, make those processes more efficient. Strategic and systematic approach of to the management. So organization should manage quality through well planned systematic approach. Long term strategic objectives. Continual improvement. Continuous improvement is very important in product, service, and processes and system. Factual approach to decision making. Yes, decision making should be based upon accurate data and fact. Mutually beneficial supplier relation. Yes, so if you want to provide the quality product, then your supplier relation, everybody who is a stakeholder, good quality relation should be there. And as I told you, the customers are of 2 types: internal customer, external customers, and both internal as well as external customer should be satisfied. Internal customer is basically your employee, external customer is your end customer. What are the benefits of total quality management? High profitability, increased market share, customer satisfaction improves, productivity of the organization increases, employee morale and job satisfaction increases, positive work culture is created. That is how it goes. And then friends, lot of questions. So the strength of YourPedia module is like, first the concept will be clarified to you in a very small video, and most of the modules of YourPedia are no notes making module. That means you guys are not to make any kind of notes. Notes making is the job of mentors. They will be making very meticulous and precise and concise notes for you, and you have to go through those notes, you have to read those notes, and then you have to basically first listen the video which mentors will make. Like I made a video, intentionally we make short videos so that you can quickly revise, because nowadays the time available for preparation of exams is reduced. It is highly reduced, and if you want to crack the exam within less duration of time, then you have to very meticulously you have to prepare that. So then after this video of the mentor, and then you've gone through this document, then a lot of questions are provided to you on the basis of actual questions which you can expect, and questions will clarify your concept. One more thing, questions may be framed additional to what is taught to you. That means whatever content is provided to you, other than that some content can be covered in the questions. So it is not that all the questions are from the same content, it can be from different also. So keep preparing the content from you go through the questions which are basically all sort of questions which you can get it. And then test series. So these are the 4 steps. First listen to the video, then go through the document, then the questions, and then the test series. That way you will be prepared for your CBT exam. Thank you.